This video will demonstrate how to perform a titration. Here are the glasswares and equipment needed. To set up, place the stir plate near the clamp stand and place the waste beaker on top. Then secure the burette upright onto the clamp. Adjust the stir plate and waste beaker to align. Carefully fill the burette with the titrant through the funnel. Turn the stopcock on the burette to allow titrant to run to get rid of any air bubbles trapped. It is not necessary to have the titrant filled to 0.00 milliliter mark on the burette. You just have to record the initial volume to 2 decimal places by reading the meniscus at eye level. Now the titrant is ready for use. Next, use the glass pipette to transfer the appropriate amount of sample into the Erlenmeyer flask. Then add 2 to 3 drops of the pH indicator. Replace the waste beaker with the Erlenmeyer flask containing your sample and indicator. Insert the stir bar. And turn on the stir plate to begin stirring at a moderate speed. Then you can turn the stopcock to slowly add the titrant into the flask. The first titration can be done rather quickly to get an estimate of the volume needed for neutralization. A dark pink endpoint will indicate that you have likely overshot the endpoint. Use the stir bar retriever to remove the stir bar. Rinse with DD water and dry with Kim wipe. For the actual titration, make sure you use DD water to rinse the last drop hanging at the tip of the burette for accuracy. When you observe that your sample has started to turn pink then fade back to transparent, this is a sign that the endpoint is approaching. You should slow down the addition of the titrant to drop by drop. Once you observe a lasting pale pink color, you have reached the endpoint. For your information, here shows the color of the overshot endpoint versus a perfect endpoint. Once you have reached the endpoint, record the final volume on the burette. You should carry out the titration until the triplicates are within 0.1 milliliter difference for data analysis purposes. Carry out your titrations carefully so you do not have to repeat too many times.